Hey everyone, how are you? Welcome to Backspace. In this easy step-by-step tutorial, we will learn how to edit the legend name of a chart in Microsoft Word. Chart legends help explain what each data series represents, making your chart clear and easier understand in reports, presentations, and academic projects. Instead of leaving the default legend names like Series 1, Series 2, you can easily rename them to meaningful labels that match your data. This makes your chart look more professional and informative. So let's get started. We can see here a assignment. Now I want to add a column chart and edit this legend. Go to the insert menu, click the chart option. Then we can see here the column chart. Otherwise you can insert any chart here. Select the chart and click OK. Then we can see here the chart data. You can edit any data like the number, anything. You can edit this. Now we can see here a chart. This is a legend of this chart. Now you want to edit this legend, select the chart and we can see, go to the Excel sheet, edit data option, then open the sheet. Then now I edit the legend. Now I am write 1, 2 and 3. Then close this. Now you can see we edit the legend. Otherwise you can edit the legend position like here the right, top, left, etc. I hope you understand this process. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe my channel to get more than important video very soon. Thanks for watching.